Hey everybody, I want to jump on here and give you some tips and tricks on how to prep for exam 2. So exam 2 covers ethics and professionalism and the law and regulations, and it's a two-part exam. So we have part A and part B. So part A covers your study guides and you're allowed to use them on the exam. So the two study guides you're going to want completed and ready for this exam is your ethics and professionalism study guide right here and your law and regulations study guide right here. So have those out, and that is what the first portion of this exam covers. So the next portion of the exam, part B, is going to cover the Arizona Physical Therapy Practice Act. And this page right here is going to be very important to look at prior to the exam, because in this page, and I'm not going to read this word for word for you because you can do that on your own, but the gist of it is I'm going to have you print these two documents here, your statutes and your rules. You're going to keep them separate, you're going to staple them together, and you're going to label them. One statutes and the other one rules. Then on part of this page, it has you look at some other documents to review the statutes and rules. And it also has you look at these two PowerPoints right here. One is the statutes PowerPoint and one's the rules PowerPoint. You're going to have these packets out while you review these PowerPoints, highlighting and tabbing your statutes packet and your rules packet, because the sections that I cover in these PowerPoints are important sections to highlight in these packets for the second portion of your exam. So another great page to look at and to help you prep for this exam is down here, right here, and it's labeled Law and Ethics Exam Directions and Example Scenarios. So the second portion of this exam is going to give you a scenario-based question, which I have examples listed right here for you. So here's an example question. There's a disaster in your state. A PT from California is volunteering for 2 weeks. The question is this legal or not legal? So you need to find either in your statutes or rules. And remember, this can be in both documents, or you might only find this in one. And what you're going to do is you're going to label where you found this, and then you're going to tell me whether it's legal or not legal with a summary of why. So you are going to list the title that it was under, the number of the title, the letter, and the page number, and then whether it was legal or not legal and why. So here are some example questions for you. Also on this page, I give you the answers, and I have documented how I found those answers in this page. So this module is going to be very important to look at, and it's labeled the Law and Ethics Exam Directions and Example Scenarios. So I highly recommend also reading this page in full and completing these documents down here and reviewing them to get you prepped for exam 2B. So if you have any questions about this exam, please reach out. We can always meet up on a WebEx, email me, whatever. And I look forward to hearing from you all soon, and good luck.